All righty. So this is going to be a comp track for you guys. We've been talking about Hound Dog, and we're starting the process of improvising over the changes, over the chord changes. We have 4 measures of C, 2 measures of F, 2 measures of C, 1 measure of G7, 1 measure of F, and then 2 measures of C, 12 bar blues. And all we're doing is making the chord with our left hand. We're finger picking with our right hand. Any of the notes are good. Now, I'm not going to say that they sound really cool or jazzy, but they work. And it's a great entrance into learning how to improvise and take a little solo on these songs. And you get to make it up. It's not someone else's interpretation, it's yours. So I'm going to comp for you. Oh, I'm going to do it nice and slow. A 1, 2, 3, 4 intro. And I'll sing a little bit. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't never caught a rabbit, and you ain't no friend of mine. Do it again. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't never caught a rabbit, and you ain't no friend of mine. Now I'm going to do it. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't never caught a rabbit, you ain't no friend of mine. Okay, one more together. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time.